Hello everybody, my dear students and respected teachers, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am standing here to teach you something in maths because maths is my favorite subject and teaching is my passion. Myself, my name is Mrs. Harpreet Sharma. So I would like to take for class maths class 9th maths, I've taken the chapter as linear equations in two variables. Do you understand what is two variables and what is linear equations? I'm not going in so much of detail what is linear equation, what is two variables, because this is already being taught in your class 8. In your class 8, you had learned what is linear equation and linear equations in one variable. Do you understand in one variable means what? One variable means something like this. Something like this, which is in one variable. So sometimes 2x plus a is 2x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 1. Something like this, where there is only one variable. See, in this equation, this is a linear equation because it is not quadratic, because in quadratic equation we will have variable to the power 2. But here our variables don't have any power, so they are linear equations. And moreover, in these equations only one variable is involved, like in first equation only m was involved. So this is linear equation in one variable, and this is also a linear equation in one variable. Children, this was taught to you in previous class 8. Now today we are starting in class 9th. We start up with linear equations in two variables. Now when two variables we start, so that means that our linear equation must be having two variables, two unknown values, yes. So the linear equation in two variables is always in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this should be the form of our linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are two variables. Okay, are you getting this point? X and y are two variables, and a, b and c are the constants of this equation. We had already taught you, teachers must have taught you in the previous class, that what are variables, what are constants. So these are variables x and y, and a, b and c are constants. Now to teach you how to write the equation in two variables, I'll teach you with the help of one example. I have taken one question. Please pay attention on each and every word. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So this is the condition of the question, that the cost of a notebook should be twice the cost of a pen. Now you have to write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. We will be asked to write a linear equation or frame a linear equation to represent the condition which is given to us. Are you getting my point? In this question, like these questions, it will be asked to frame a linear equation in which that condition is fulfilled. So how you will do these type of questions? Let's start with this example. First of all, the cost of a notebook is not known to you. Second thing, the cost of a pen is not known to you. So let us assign them variables. That is, let the cost of a notebook be, rupees x. So this will be my first linear equation. Let the cost of a notebook be x rupees. Second statement and the equation and second statement will be, let the cost of a pen is equal to rupees y. So these are the two variables, and with the help of these two variables I have to frame a linear equation in such a way that it satisfies my given condition. Now coming to the given condition, when we come to the given condition, we read it slowly and gradually and apply it to these variables. Like, the cost of a notebook is, up to here you read, the cost of a notebook is, that means x. The cost of a notebook is this, you write this, okay, x. Then twice the cost of a pen, that means this is equal to twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is y, Twice means 2 times the cost of a pen. So x is equal to 2 times the cost of a pen. So therefore x is equal to 2y. Now to form this as the form, to make this in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that means you have to make your RHS 0. Right hand side should be 0. Yes, definitely. So we will take this 2y to the left hand side. And since 2y is on the right hand side of equals to, when it will go to the left side, its sign will be changed from plus to minus. Okay, that you already know from the previous classes. So x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the final answer. That means this is the linear equation which we have framed, and this is definitely representing this situation. This situation means by this equation we can say that the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. And now one thing more, when you see, how can you say that it is a linear equation in two variables? You simply compare it with this. When you compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then when you compare it, see here you can write 1x plus minus 2y plus c. There is nothing in c, 0. So when we compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, it gives the values of constants as a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 0. So this is further done if it is asked in the question the value of constants. If it is not asked, if it is just asked to frame the linear equation to satisfy the statement, you just have to stop here, x minus 2y 0. So this is your answer. Okay, now I will tell you the other point in linear equations in two variables. The other thing is, that is, we will. So now that this form is in this type of equations, what do we do in this type of questions? In fact, express the following when we will be asked to express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And indicate the values of a, b and c. That means in such type of questions, you have to do is, whatever equation is given to you, you have to convert it or you have to change it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. First thing is this. And the second thing is, then you have to find out the values of the constants a, b and c from that equation. Okay. So this concept also will be explained with the help of examples to you. So let us begin. Now when I will comparing equation 1, that means the equation which you have been given, I'll compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I'll write it in this form. How I will write? It is 1x, yes, that means 1 multiplied x, okay, plus minus 1 by 5 y plus minus 10 is equal to 0. So now can you see here? Now can you see and can you just see that how man has converted this given equation in the form of ax? Are you getting this point? See, this is ax plus this is by plus this is c is equal to 0. Now can you see here? I have converted it. I have done my job. I have converted in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So my answer will be ax means ax plus by, b will be minus 1 by 5y and plus c will be minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is my first answer which they were asking us to write. In the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have done up to here. The first part comes this. We have got the linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now comes the next half part of the question, that is, now indicate the values of constants a, b and c. So when you compare this equation with ax plus by plus c, I have already shown you here the constant a evaluates to 1 and constant b evaluates to minus 1 by 5 and constant c is minus 10. So this answer is the answer to the second part of the question, that is I have evaluated the values of a, b and c in this linear equation which I have framed myself, which I framed myself in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us understand this concept with one simple more example. Okay. So here I have taken another question, second question, to explain you literally more, make your concept more clear. I have taken one more example. See, x is equal to 3y was given to me. This was given to me. I have to convert this in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what magic I'll do? I'll do some magic for you. What is the magic? This magic you will also learn with me. You like I know the magic, I'm going to tell you the magic. How to convert this equation in ax plus by plus c form. See, first of all, you have to do RHS, you have to make 0, because when you make the equation, in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, then always your RHS is 0. Yes, right hand side is 0. Similarly, I want to make RHS 0 here. So what I'll do, this is plus 3y on the right hand side of equals to, I'll take it to the left side and then the sign of this will change. So it will become x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now I have made RHS 0. See. Now somewhat similar, can you see? Now see, if you have to convert this in the form of this, what you will do? You will write here 1x plus minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Yes, children? So here, when we compare it with this equation, we get a as 1 and this as b, because it is in the form of ax plus by plus c. And this will be our c is equal to 0. So that is, we get the equation. If first part is to give the answer in this form, na? So you will give the answer in this form, that is 1x, or you can simply write x plus minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is your first part of the question, that is representing the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this will be your first part of the question, answer to the first part. Second part says me to find the values of the constants a, b and c. So when comparing, we will write when comparing, like suppose this is equation 2, suppose this is equation 1 something. Now when we compare this equation 2 with a means, let us say this is the equation a. When we compare this with this, we will get, see here, a is equal to 1. Can you see here? A is represented by 1, b is represented by minus 3 and c is represented by 0. So this is the values of the constants a, b and c. That was the demand of the question in the second part. So this was the explanation of linear equations in two variables. I hope children, I was very slow and I was not hurrying up, I suppose, and I hope my voice was clear, and I hope that you must not be having any doubts now, because I made it very simpler and simpler. But still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'm there to help you out. This was the concept of linear equations in two variables, where x and y or any other p, q or m, n are the two unknown variables. There two types of questions are asked. First type of question, I had explained you before this, that you have to form the linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And the second type of questions is, you have to find the values of the constants a, b and c in the given equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So I have taught you in today's class is that much enough for you to understand two types of questions. Okay, let's hope to meet you soon. Till then, goodbye.